yazi inenza ukuthi impilo ibe inkinga ukuthi uma ubona impilo ubona into yokufixwa, awuboni into yokuphila, ubona into yokufixwa, as if impilo i-broken kanti impilo i-perfect. Uyamazi umuntu okhanda into engafili, ayibona into enjalo. Umuntu okhanda into engafileke uyayibulala yena ngoba isuke ingafile lonto ngesikhathi enezama ukuyikhanda. So now people are trying to fix life. They don't live life. You know what is life? You know what is living? It's like people are in the restaurant and they are eating the menu instead of the real food. They are waiting their whole life waiting to live. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngizeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ngizoyihlukanisa in stages lenkulumo. Asiqale la emalini ngoba iyona yafika yalethe inkinga la. I-illusion lena emnandi esayicreateayo esuccessful ngalendlela imali. Savumelana ngayo ukuthi lento izodenote i-value. Yes. Hayi ukuthi yona i-value qobo. Cha. I-value ikulento le ethengwa ile mali. Hayi ukuthi yona imali qobo ine-value. Ngoba uma ngabe singase sivuke sivumelane futhi ukuthi asisayisebenzisa imali, kuzoba njalo imali izongasebenzi. Kodwa akusho ukuthi lezo zinto ebekade zithengwa imali azisenayo i-value. Izinto ziyohlezi zinayo i-value. That is life. Life is not money. Life is not money. You see nje manje, you that thing that you are, consciousness. Consciousness is everything. That is something that you can never buy with money. Consciousness. And consciousness is everything. So literally, you are everything. What else do you want? Because you just have to live. But money have taken in ikubamba inkunzi imali. Yabo? Ikubambe ngezidlozana imali. And you are waiting your whole life. You are living right now, irregardless whether you have money or not. You are living life. Life is not equate to money. Life does not equate to money. Life is not money. You were sold illusion. You believed it. Now it makes you not to live life. The illusion. You believed. You had a choice to take this belief or not. You know what? The funny thing is, by the time you don't even care about this thing of money, it is the time it comes. By the time you don't even care, you don't chase it, but you don't care, you don't allow it to control you because you know that you are the one who holds the keys. The consciousness is everything. The consciousness that you are is everything. Is literally everything. You are everything. Not figuratively so, literally. So even the money, you decided to give it power over your life. Hence, if it's not there, you are not happy. By the time you are not happy, you are causing a universal imbalance. You are the universe. Ne? The universe, what does the universe do? It detects and magnifies. So the states that you are in will be detected that you are not happy because you don't have money, and that's what is going to be magnified. You are blessing yourself with unhappiness. You are blessing yourself with all the misery. The misery are the reflection of your state of being. The misery, and You cannot tell me that you put the mirror in front of you and then you are surprised what is there in the mirror. You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. And the universe, by law, the law of correspondence is reflecting you. Because of what? Money. You are living. Life is not money. You are living. You see, the conversation oyiholda nabantu, that's life. The ukuhamba kwakho, that's what is life. You are here to experience this a tree of knowledge, the central nervous system. We are here to experience it. You are conscious. So now you just decided to do what? You just decided to override life with money and the need for money, substituting life for money. You know what is reality? You know what is life? You can't even buy life. Do you think about someone who is in hospital right now, who is in hospital fighting for his or her life right now? Do you think ukuthi unendaba nemali? Do you think uma sekuthiwe nje uli-millionaire noma uli-billionaire njengamanje uyakhulapsa, impilo yakhe iyakhulapsa? Uyazi into ebaluleke kakhulu impilo engathi if lama billions can buy me life for me to live and see abantu engibakhonzile engibathandayo and see ngiphile futhi again, ukuthi mhlambe awazi ube kwi-state la khona oyidinga khona impilo the most, ula ubona khona zonke lezi zinto amagugu alelizwe ayosala emathuneni, into engekho. We are chasing after one achievement, we are chasing another achievement. After one, we are chasing it's a ghost. I don't know, they call it a ghost what? It's trying to feed itself a chunk amount of food, a very big amount of food. Ngomlomo omncane. Yabo akudleki. Ngoba every time you reach this kukhona lokho. You don't live, you are waiting to live. Every time it's like we are ulinde something, ubufuna ukuqeda isikole, wasiqeda ubujahe lokho wasiqeda, instead of ukuthi uphile usajahe phambili, ujahe ukufunda e-university, wafunda waqeda, nakhona usujahe ukusebenza, wasebenza usujahe imoto. The chase is always on. You are not living. That is why you are fixing life, because you want life ukuthi ibe ngale ndlela lofuna nga. Impilo iyaphilwa. Impilo is an experience. I-consciousness is elevating information, and the information is experience, engaging with something, finding knowledge. Yabo, uzo evolve consciousness la. Ukuthi ube through kuma experiences. Iba kuleyo experience. Don't disturb yourself. Don't disturb yourself. Don't be like don't daydream. Musu daydreamer. Musu daydreamer. Live life. Yabo. Akuyona into yokufix life. Akusho ukuthi into eyenzakalayo doesn't meant to happen. Sizophila la. Ukuphila akusigona lokho ukucabangayo wena ukuphila. Yabona izinto ezimpi, lento ukhandeliwe yona wasuswa empilweni, ukhandeliwe nawe wakholwa. Njengamanje into eyimpilo usayibalekela, uglued to izinto ezikubulalayo digitally, ezingeyona ngisho impilo. Wagcina nje ukuya emfuleni, wagcina nje ukuhlala kwimvelo, wagcina nje ukuengage nabantu. Yazi kuye connect izinto zemvelo ziyadinga abafiki. Impilo kantini sisusiwe empilweni, awuyibuke kahle lento. Uyazi ukuthi uma ngasuphile ungarealize ukuthi nalezi zinto ejahile ukuthi uyophila masunazo, uyongarealize ukuthi nalezi zinto lezi ngiyaphila manje, anginendaba kahle nazo lezi zinto, ngiyaphila. I-illusion, yazi abantu becreatele, uyazi umuntu acreatele isidingo obungazi ukuthi unazo. That's what they do to you. You didn't even know. Now uphaphamese kunje emncaneni bakho nje, wena ebunganeni bakho, you are innocent. Uphaphamese kunje now. It's like now we are not living if you don't have money. Let us go back to basics. Let us just eradicate from those chains, mental chains. We are living, the conversations we are sharing, the engagement. Life ayona imali, impilo ayona imali.